Hey guys, today I'm making a miniature dollhouse room for Unikitty. She is a cat-unicorn hybrid from the Lego movie, and she now has her own TV show. She's just a bundle of energy, and I thought it'd be fun to make a room after her. While at the same time recycling a craft, I'm just recycling a room from my Sweet Shop video, carefully removing the shelves, then using a little bit of water to get rid of any tacky glue. But I'm not too worried about it because I'm going to stick pictures on any torn spot. As always, if you guys make this craft, I would love to see it. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. So first, I'm just going to recycle my unicorn bed from my previous unicorn room and just improve upon it a bit by adding a unicorn sticker and a sleepy eye. Next, I print the printable. I printed mine on glossy photo paper. And you can find the printable on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. And these are just some positive affirmations I think Unikitty would support. Then making a horn-shaped bookcase, just using some foam board and craft foam. And for the shelves, I'm just filing them at a slight angle so they'll fit a little bit better. Next up is the nightstand, just using more foam board. Craft foam for the drawers. Line them up. But then pull them out so that they don't get stuck inside while they dry, and just adding more details. And just making a little rainbow light, a craft foam sticker, and some jewels. I can make a clock using more puffy stickers. Then just adding some accessories from other videos. Are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!